What's up, everyone? How are you doing? Hope you're doing good. 1 second, so we can start. All right. If you hear me, please write in the chat if you can hear me. Welcome to this live trading. It's been a minute since the last one that we did. It's been a little bit crazy in Italy. I was seeing my family, which I see only a few days per year. Now let's get started. You can write anything in the chat. Please don't just tell me, hey man, hey Edward, look at this, look at that, but actually send your charts. I want it to be helpful for everyone. So first of all, I want to start by going over the setups that I had today. If we missed anything, as you know, I'm trading a lot with the Asian range. And basically I wait for the manipulation of Asian range, which happened right here and also to the upside right here. This could have been a very good trade. I have to admit that I missed. The reason why I missed it is because I looked for confirmation mainly on the 3 minutes, and we had a very good confirmation on the 1 minute, but I just prefer to wait for my for the best setups in order to take it, and it's been paying off. I've only taken one trade this week, 1 to 4 restored ratio, 4% profit for the week. That's all we need. If you do the same for 4 weeks, then you make 16% in a month. And as you know, if you have a funded account like 100K on FTMO, you make 16K. Now, of course, they keep 20%, but you got the point. Let's keep going. So USD, we manipulate to the downside. I'm not interested right here also because this is no valid confirmation for me. I like to trade with good structure, a good structure that provides an entry. And here we just had some type of V confirmation, which I try to avoid as much as possible in most cases. So I didn't trade that one. Now I have to admit that after going to the upside, the setup was really, really good, and I didn't take it. The reason why I didn't take it is, as I said already, because I wanted to see confirmation on 3 minutes and not on the 1 minute, but that's fine. We manipulate the previous high here, which is external liquidity. After manipulating this high, go to the 1 minute, we also manipulate Asian high, go to the 1 minute, and we have clear confirmation. This could have been really nice with fake change of character right here, you know what I'm talking about, and then real confirmation right here with this low being broken, which is the low that created this breakout structure. And this is valid confirmation. Now, to be honest, I probably would have missed it anyway, because I would have traded from this supply and we didn't touch it. And if we don't touch it, I just don't take the trade. But, or even if we take this whole move to the upside, we still don't touch it. This last move to the upside before going to the downside, we still don't touch it. So not trade for me on EURUSD, but it's a great case study for very good restored ratio overall. Didn't take the trade, and you know why. GBUSD, same thing. We manipulate to the upside. There is no clear confirmation. I mean, there is confirmation here. You can argue that this is confirmation. Of course, I agree it is confirmation, but we get no entry because I don't take the trade from the supply. I know some people on Instagram and whatever like to trade the flip, which is the in this case the supply that makes the demand fail. But for me, I backtested a lot. I know what I'm doing, and for me it just doesn't work over a long period of time, and I prefer to just trade my setups, which are proven to work with very good efficiency. NZD-CAD didn't take any trade. It wasn't interesting at all for many reasons. First of all, the Asian range was trending to the downside. After the Asian range was trending to the downside, we should prefer sells. But let's say we want to take buys after the Asian range manipulation right here. Asian range manipulation, no confirmation, bring the structure to the downside, what happens here? This is a V confirmation. V confirmation is not really good. As I said already, I was like, okay, V confirmation plus this is the overall move that breaks structure to the downside. So actually, this is the high, the supply. They're still in control. And this can just be internal liquidity. So I'm good with that. I will not take the trade also because there is a V confirmation. It would have been different, would have been very different if if after breaking the Asian range, we would have created some good structure down here. And here I will look for some trades. Okay, that's different, but this is not what happened, as you can see. And at the end of the day, profitable traders are the ones that can wait for their setups. I believe, like, say something. If you took more than 10 trades this week, please write in the chat if you took more than 10 trades this week. Yes, I did before that, more than 10. I took 25 trades. Yes, I did more than 10 trades. Then there are also 11 trades. Then there are also some good messages, like one person is saying, I only took one trade for 2.2 restored ratio, great. I took 4 trades, that's also great, but there are also a lot of people saying that they took more than 10 trades. Trade selection is crucial. I took only one trade this week, 4% profit, that's all we need. And now, of course, if there were going to be more setups, I would have taken more trades. There was actually a setup yesterday on JPUSD, but let's say I took one trade and I missed one, and that's it. Now let's go to gold here today. Manipulation to the upside. This is no confirmation, of course. Here, just messy for me. I would not take any sells from here because again, there's no clear structure here. This high is in control. This is the demand right here. We break it here and I don't have any clear possible entry. Now, what could have been interesting was US30, and it is still interesting actually if we don't go too much to the downside before actually getting an entry here. This is actually a trade that I missed. So actually I took one trade for 1-to-4 restored ratio this week, and I missed 2 trades. Of the 2 trades that I missed, one was an okay trade, which was GBUSD yesterday. The setup was all right. It wasn't perfect. US30 right now, I would say it was a very good setup. Very good setup on US30 with very clear 3 minutes confirmation right here. So this could have been nice actually with this type of entry. And stop loss above the high. Anyway, we are not involved yet. I have this point of interest marked right here and we'll keep an eye on it. This is it for my watch list for today. I've only covered lower time frames. There are people who say that US30 has liquidity. Don't really see this liquidity that you're mentioning. I just see my intraday setups, to be honest. I'm more focused on intraday trading, and I just need a few pips to make a 1-to-5, 1-to-8 restored ratio. I'm not really focused on if there is liquidity up here, you know, I don't care. More intraday type of moves. There was liquidity here. I sent it in the Discord group after liquidity was taken, and we went to the downside. This was the setup that I shared exactly here in the Discord. Let me see if I can drag it. No, I can't. I don't know why. Well, anyway, I'll share that in the Discord. Let's see if there is any question. Are you free in December so I can visit your Excel trading floor? You can have access to the trading floor only if you are a funded Excel accelerated student. So if you have basically this, so if you are in this program right here, you can come to the office, to the trading floor and trade with me. So if you are, yeah, I will be here in December, you can come. Let's see this chart. Is fake chalk change a character a must? No, it's not a must, but I like to see some fake confirmation before actually getting involved. This is your GBP. I don't, it's good Asian range manipulation to the downside. I just don't like it this way because we went up already too much. I show you what I like to see. Where is it? So I believe there is some higher time frames. Yeah, higher time frames demand, perfect. Then we go on lower time frames. Once we are here, let's say we break this one, we are already, we have to understand that we are either, you know, it's a Friday today. If your setup is for Monday, then it's good. You say my setup is for Monday, then it's great. Maybe you mark this demand, then you mark lower demand right here, and it's great. If we fail the supply, we look to trade from demand on Monday. But if you want to trade today, I just wouldn't trade today because I'm more focused on intraday movements. We manipulated the Asian range to the downside. If there was a confirmation down here, I would have taken the trade, but this was just V movement, so no. Please continue sending us winning trades, screenshots with analysis. I reviewed your NZD-CAD trade this week and it was really good. Thank you. I will keep doing it. I wouldn't take this being Friday, but just interested in your view. You wouldn't take what? And there is some other people who are sending their charts. Let's see. AUD USD demand change of character on the 3 minutes. Yeah, if there is good confirmation, then take it. But I don't see AUD. Wait, AUD USD. Yes, AUD USD. Okay, yeah, it looks good. Below Asian range, below the previous low right here. So below Asian range, below the previous low, at demand area from what you drew. Oh well, actually. Now, this for me is not a very good demand area, to be honest. But if you have good confirmation, then you can take it. This just doesn't look appealing to me. Some other people sending charts. Let's see. This is US 30. Is it Dow Jones? Demand area down here. Yeah, that's good overall. I was looking to trade from this supply, but overall from this demand, it's good. I would trade it with confirmation. So let's say there is Asian range, manipulation to the downside, confirmation down here, push to the upside. Good that you have the setups, A, B, C, D setups. Yes, I will send the recording of this call, of course. Let me see this. Which pair is this? Anyway, I believe it's GBP USD. Yeah, GBP USD should be. GPUSD, perfect. Yeah, I would have taken, I covered it already, and I would have taken, well, I wouldn't have taken it because there was no retracement to supply, but we already had our push to the downside. You know, you either try to catch always the big moves, and therefore you have to kind of change your trading style, or if you're focused on the intraday moves, then focus a lot on the Asian range and some supply and demand levels and correct confirmation, which means good confirmations. So that's what we should focus on. Now, there is one person who cannot access the Excel indicator, but the access is open in the Discord. So you just need to close completely your trading view and then open it again. It should work if you follow the steps. Where are you going to post the recording? I will send it in the Discord and also in the Telegram for the members. I also have an announcement. So keep in mind that we are looking for this. Good, maybe 1 minute confirmation from here. Anyway, I wanted to make an announcement today. I will open more spots for the Signal channel. We've been having great results with very few trades, but very good trades. I will open more spots. I will give all of you, to the Excel students, the possibility to book some spots before I open it to the public. So, so you see what to do about it. I just give you the opportunity for 30 minutes to get access and join before others, and then I open it to others. There is one question. Have you ever heard about real estate in Dubai called Damak Hills? It's very weird that you're asking this because I bought a house in Dubai and with Damak Hills. So I don't know how you know that, but yeah, I do know that because I bought a house from them in Dubai. I already bought one too. Nice. All right. Nice. I'm actually, you know what? I'm actually selling it like next week, and I'm buying another house in Dubai, not with Damak Hills. Like I'm selling the Damak Hills house, and I'm buying another house next week, still in Dubai. Why this supply on US 30? It's just the supply, but overall it will be this whole thing, this whole supply, and then waiting for 1 minute confirmation from this supply. Can you analyze oil? No, you need to send your chart. I don't just do requests. All right, with this being said, let's see if there are some more questions. You know what I'm looking for. Perfect setup yesterday on GBPUSD. Yes, it was very good yesterday on GBPUSD, but not perfect. Very good, not perfect. Let's stay ready for US 30. I will send updates. I will send a signal on the signal channel if there is a possible entry. And if there is an entry, actually, if I take the entry, I will send it. And that's it. Thank you so much for connecting. Today, I will open spots for signals. So stay tuned, and I'll post the recording later. Thank you very much for connecting. I'll see you very soon.